Good day, everyone. I'm Donna Rose Leaban. So, welcome to our Rent Away application. Now, let's get started. Great to have you on board screen of Rent Away. As you can see, two selections buttons are here. I want to rent cars for customer looking to rent vehicles, and I want to share my cars for vehicle owners who want to list their cars for rent. So now, I will click I want to share my cars. Here the login process. If you have already an account, you can log in. But if you don't have an account, you can click the sign up, then fill up. Let's log in the account that I create. After you log in your account, we proceed in the location. We can edit if what locations we want to pin. After that, we proceed to fleet vehicle. In the fleet vehicle, we can see the available cars there. When you click the view car button, details of car will appear. And when the owner wants to add the car and brand, they can click and fill up the details that they need to add, like brand name, car features, and rental fee.
Good day, everyone. I'm Philip Serapica. This is our approval. Here, in the approval, you will see the pending request for renting cars. So if the client or want to rent, you will set or reject the cars that they want to rent if it is available or not. Here, in the message section, the user and client can communicate about the concern that they need to clarify. At the top, there, there is a search bar that allows user to quickly find conversation by searching it. Here, in the profile page, it displays the user personal info, including their full name, email address, and location. A large profile picture is placed at the center. The profile more personal and recognizable. At the bottom, there are buttons for editing the profile and logging out. Here, in the Edit Profile page, it allows user to update their personal information, such as full name, email address, and location. The screen also includes a profile pictures section with a camera icon, which lets user change their photo easily. At the bottom, there is a Save Change button used to save the updated information. Thank you. And that's for our owner account.
Good day, everyone. My name is Nash Dumipik, and welcome to our Rent Away application. Great to have you on onboarding screen of Rent Away. Let's go to the user account. So I will click I want to rent my car. Here the login process. If you have already an account, you can log in. But if you don't have an account, you can click the sign up. Then fill up. Now, let's log in the account that I created earlier. After you log in your account, we proceed on the location. We can edit if you want location we want to pin.
Good day everyone, I'm Romar J. Nyerba. In the fleet vehicle section, user can browse different car brands available for rent and choose the vehicle they prefer. After selecting a car, they simply click the rent button to proceed to the payment page, where they enter details such as their name, email, and contact number. Next, user can click Pay Now and choose a card payment method by entering their card details. Once the transaction is successful, a payment successful message will appear and the user can return to the home page. We also have a notification section where users can monitor the status of their booking and checking if their request has been approved. Lastly, the message section allows users to directly contact to the vehicle owner for concern or additional requests. Thank you everyone.
Profile page. You can edit the profile, change your photo, change your name, email, and the address. And click the save changes. If you can see the name is, and that's all. Thank you for listening.